Dear student of class 12, now today I'm going to start the integration. The chapter name is partial fraction. Now partial fraction, first today we'll discuss the partial fraction of integration of in this form px plus q over x minus a into x minus b dx form. Suppose the integral is given in this form. This form of partial fraction is called linear over quadratic form. Now linear over quadratic form, how to use partial fraction in case of linear over quadratic form? First you have to write the entire quantity x minus a, x minus b. And this must be equals to one constant that you have to consider, a over first linear plus b over second linear. Partially we'll write these things. Partially the given integral we'll write in this way. Now after that, now with the help of calculation that you have to calculate the value of a and b, then this part of the partial fractions that you have to integrate. This is the form of partial fraction. First form. The first question of partial fraction, integration dx over x into x plus 1. Now say, numerator, nothing is there, 1 is there in the numerator, and denominator x into x plus 1. Now, first of all, I'll write the given functions, 1 over x into x plus 1. Then, according to the previous concept, what you have to write, a upon first linear quantity plus b upon second linear quantity. Now then, we'll try to calculate the value of a and b. Now for that, I'll take LCM over here. LCM is x into x plus 1. Now with the help of LCM, you'll get x plus 1 plus b into x. So that this and this get cancelled, these two quantities get cancelled. Now we have a into x plus 1 plus b into x. Now from these equations, we are going to find the value of a and b. Now say the shortcut method we'll do over here. Now say, to calculate the value of a, b quantity, you have to make this b quantity must be 0 by the consideration of the value of x. Now if I consider x equals to 0, b will be 0. 0 into b, it will be 0. To calculate the value of a, you have to make b quantity 0 by consideration of x value. Now I'll consider the value of x in this equation. Let us suppose x equals to 0. 1 is equals to a into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0. A into 0, 0 is a. The value of a is 1. Similarly, now next what you have to do is to calculate the value of b. You have to make a quantity 0. Consider the value of x so that this a quantity must be 0. X plus 1 is there. If I consider x equals to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. You will get the, you can calculate the value of b. So 1 is equals to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1. Cancel. 0 into a, it will be 0, minus into plus, minus b. Now then, b is equals to minus 1. This is a shortcut method to calculate the value of a and b. Now after getting a and b, I'll substitute the value of a and b over here. Therefore, integration, the value of a is 1 over x plus the value of b is minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. Now then, integration 1 by x plus into minus 1 over x plus 1 whole dx. Integration dx over x log of mod x minus integration dx over x plus 1 log of mod of x plus 1 plus c. Now next we'll apply the property of logarithm. Log m minus log n will be log of mod m over n. This one is the final answer. It's the same kind of question, linear into linear or linear over quadratic. I'll first write the function 2x minus 1 over x into x plus 5. Now then I'll apply the partial fraction over here. A over first linear plus b over second linear. If I take LCM, these two quantities get cancelled. Now then we'll get 2x minus 1 is equals to a into x plus 5 plus b into x. Now the method is same. To calculate the value of a, you have to make b quantity 0. So if I consider x equals to 0, b into 0, 0. Now I'll substitute throughout the equations. 2 into 0, 0. You'll get minus 1. 0 plus 5, 5. It is 5a plus b into 0, 0. b into 0, 0. Then the value of a will be minus 1 over 5. To calculate the value of e, you have to make a 0. So if I consider x equals to minus 5, x plus 5 is there, minus 5 plus 5, it will be 0. Now then substitute over here in the equation. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 1. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. b into minus 5, it is minus 5b. Minus 11 goes to minus 5b. Cancel. Therefore, b is equals to 11 over. After getting a and b, I'll substitute over here in the integral. Therefore, integration, the value of a is minus 1 over 5 divided by x plus b is 11 over 5 x plus 5 whole dx. Now that integration, minus 1 over 5 dx over x is log of mod x plus 11 over 5 dx over x plus 5 is log of mod x plus 5 plus c. Therefore, the final answer, first I'll write the positive quantity, 11 over 5 log x plus 5 minus 1 by 5 log of mod x. Now in this answer we cannot use the property of logarithm because the coefficient of logarithms are different. If it is same, then only we can apply the logarithmic property. Now another question, but this one is a little bit different. Now x plus 7 over quadratic equation is there, x square plus 2x minus 8. Now next what I'm going to do is whether this denominator is factorizable or not. If it is factorizable, then only we can apply partial fraction. If it is non-factorizable quantity, then we cannot use partial fraction. Now I'll factorize this one. X plus 7 over factorization. X square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 dx. Now then this one will be x plus 7 over x common to be x plus 4 minus 2 common to be x plus 4 dx. Now then this is x plus 7 over x plus 4 into x minus 2 dx. Now it is factorizable. Now then I'll write the function x plus 7 over x plus 4 into x minus 2 equals to a upon x plus 4 first linear plus b upon second linear. After LCM, what you'll get, x plus 7 is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 4. Now then, next what we are going to do is we will calculate the value of a and b. To calculate the value of a, you have to make b quantity 0. So that if I consider x equals to minus 4 plus 4, 0. So to calculate the value of a, I'll consider x equals to minus 4. If I consider x equals to minus 4 plus 7, 3 equals to minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. It will be minus 6a. These two quantities get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. Now that, therefore, the value of a will be, the value of a is minus 1 over 2. Similarly, to calculate the value of b, you have to make a quantity 0. X minus 2 is there. So I'll consider x equals to 2. 2 minus 2, this one will be 0. 2 plus 7, 9, equals to this one will be 0. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6b. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then b is equals to 3 upon 2. Now after getting a and b, I'll integrate this one. Therefore, integration, the value of a is minus 1 by 2 over x plus 4. Then the value of b is plus 3 by 2 over x minus 2 whole dx. The answer will be minus 1 by 2 log of x plus 4 plus 3 by 2 log of x minus 2 plus c. Therefore, the final answer, I'll write first positive quantity 3 by 2 log of x minus 2 minus half log of x plus 4 plus c. This is your final answer. Now, dear student, in this question we have over here the linear over cubical equations, but I'll simplify this thing and we'll apply the partial fraction. Now I think you will get three different factors over here. 2x plus 1 over. Now we can take x common. Have x square plus x minus 2. Now then we can factorize this one. If it is factorizable, then we can factorize x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. This way we can factorize this equation. Now after the factorization, 2x plus 1 over x within bracket x into x plus 2 minus 1 common will be x plus 2 dx. Now then, integration 2x plus 1 over x into within bracket, the common is x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Now the final integration will be 2x plus 1 over x into x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Now sir, we have this quantity over here. Three different factors in the denominator. Now the constant will be a, b and c. Same way 2x plus 1 over, okay, to do better, first you can take a screenshot of those things. Now then I'll continue this integral over here. Now I'll write the function since 2x plus 1 over x into x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to, the partial fraction will be a over first linear plus b over second linear plus c over third linear. Now if I take LCM over here, 2x plus 1, if I take LCM over here, it will be a into x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 2. You let this value. Now to calculate the value of a, now say again we have to calculate the value of a, b and c. Then substitute over here. We'll get, after that we'll integrate. Now to find the value of a, we have to make b and c 0. To make b and c 0, we must have some common quantities of x in b and c. Now say x is over here, x is also here. So if I consider x equals to 0, both b and c will be 0. Then easily we can calculate the value of a. X equals to 0. 2 into 0, 0, it will be 1, equals to a into 0 plus 2, it's 2. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. Now 1 is equals to minus 2a then the value of a is minus 1 by 2. It's the value of a. Now after getting a, next is we'll calculate the value of b. To calculate the value of b, you have to make a and c 0. Then you have to find, is there any common between a and c? Any common quantity of x? X plus 2 is present over here, x plus 2 is there. So if I consider x equals to minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0, minus 2 plus 2, these two quantities will be 0. If I consider x equals to minus 2, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3. A will be 0. Now this one will be b to minus 2, then minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. This one will be 0. So minus 3 is equals to plus 6b. 3 2s are 6. Then b is equals to minus 1 by 2. The last one, the value of c. To calculate the value of c, you have to make a and b 0. Again, the same way that you have to find the common. X minus 1 is present with a, x minus 1 is present with b. These two quantities are, this quantity is common to a and b. So I'll consider x minus 1 is there. So I'll consider x equals to 1. So that both the quantities will be 0. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 0. Then I'll substitute over here. C into 1, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is equals to 3c. Cancel. C is equals to 1. After getting a, b, c, I'll substitute these values over here. Therefore, minus half over x plus minus half over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 1 whole dx. Now that will integrate this quantity. Half log of mod x, half log of x plus 2 plus, so as dx of x minus 1 is log of mod of x minus 1 plus c. Now first I'll write the positive quantity, log of x minus 1. Now from these two quantity, minus half is common. If I take minus half common, now we have within a bracket log of mod x plus log of mod of x plus 2 plus c. Now then, I'll apply the property of logarithm. Log of mod x minus 1, then minus half is there, minus half will be log m plus log n will be log of m into n. So your final answer. Dear student of class 12, now from partial fraction, in this video I'll do this much only. The second video will be of partial fraction only. In second video we'll do substitution, then partial fraction, then another form of partial fraction also there. Thank you.